In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold here on the Echo 12 in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and go into your gunsmith and go to the customize tab, specifically into your camo tab, and then go over to multiplayer. And what you're going to do is start with these military camos right here. Now, unlike a lot of the other guns, you just got to get point blank kills, specifically 80 of them in order to knock out all 9 of these camos right here. Now, point blank kills are pretty self-explanatory and they're actually super easy to do. You're just going to want to play up close and personal in those objective-based game modes. Hardpoint is very, very good for this since the hardpoint is always moving. Try and get an objective and just try and get kills up and close when other people are running into the objective. This actually shouldn't take too long to go ahead and do. Assuming you're getting like 10 a game, this should take 8 games max. For Diamondback, you gotta get 30 objective kills with the Echo 12. This is pretty much the exact same thing. Play either domination or hardpoint. Get some objective kills on people when they're running in. I recommend hardpoint. I think it's easier. Hardpoint is by far the best game mode in the entire game for grinding camos. Hop on that, get objective kills, self-explanatory. For Raptor, you gotta get 10 kills while or just shortly after sprinting. This is also very easy to go and do. Shotguns are probably the easiest thing in the entire game to get these challenges done for. So once again, play objective-based game modes. Hardpoint is very, very good for this. Sprint or get kills right after sprinting. The best thing to do is like running into the hardpoint when it's contested by other people, and you'll be able to get this done pretty quick. For mainframe, you got to get 50 eliminations without having any attachments. This gun is still pretty good without any attachments. And once again, this is super self-explanatory. Just get 50 elims with nothing attached. For Shattered Gold, though, get 3 kills without dying 10 times. This one is probably the hardest challenge for these shotguns itself, but it's still not too bad. You just got to go ahead and make sure that you're getting kills without dying. The best thing that I recommend doing is playing, once again, those objective-based game modes. Hardpoint is very, very good for this. Try and sit right outside of the hardpoint, and as people are running in, go ahead and kind of just catch them off guard. Play safe. You want to be up and close in order to go ahead and knock this one out, which I know that is kind of like, you know, the opposite of staying safe, but you're going to get those kills a lot quicker the closer that you are. And the Echo 12 is pretty good with a pretty fast TTK, so you should be able to knock this out ASAP. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.